Hi everyone, welcome back to the Behind the Scenes series. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to create a pyramid chart using only native Power BI features. This chart is part of the People dashboard from my original video. If you'd like to see the full dashboard in action, click the link above. And as always, you'll find all the resources available for download in the description. Now, let's get started. We'll first remove the existing chart so we can recreate it from scratch. Once that's done, insert a clustered bar chart. Next, add the field grade ID to the y-axis to define the categories. For the values, the pyramid chart requires two measures. Since we're only showing head count, we've created a second measure with the same values in negative form. With both measures ready, go ahead and add them to the chart by placing ID selected year and ID selected year negative into the x-axis field. After the fields are added, head over to the Format pane to begin refining the visual. Reposition the chart to sit within its panel and adjust its size so it fills the space. Turn off the background too. Next, format the chart title by updating the title to Staff Pyramid and change the title alignment to center so it stay consistent with the other visuals. Then move to the y-axis. Reduce the font size to 8 and turn off the axis title to keep the visual uncluttered. For the x-axis, turn off both the values and the title as they aren't required for this design. Disable the legend as well. Continue to the bars settings. And under the layout section, enable the overlap function. Then increase the space between series to 100% so both bars appear as a single row for each category. And reduce the space between categories to 8% to create a tighter pyramid shape. With the structure in place, let's update the colors. Select the ID selected year series and change its color to light brown. Then switch to the ID selected year negative series and apply the same color so both sides remain visually consistent. Now, we'll turn on the data labels to display the values. For the ID selected year negative series, turn off Show to hide those labels. Then select the ID selected year series and change the label position to outside end. Finally, adjust the font color to a lighter gray so the labels remain visible but not too prominent. To complete the pyramid, we'll adjust the sorting. Return to the chart. Open the More Options menu at the top right corner and ensure that Grade ID is selected as the sorting field. Then set the order to ascending so the pyramid appears in the correct upright direction. And that's it, a clean and simple staff pyramid chart showing headcount by grade. If you're looking for more dashboard tips and templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.